Hey, what's up guys, welcome back in another video. In today's video I'm going to show how to replace an LCD in J5 2016. It's a Samsung Galaxy phone. So first of all, let's open the back and then the battery. After this, if is there a SIM card or memory card, you have to remove them before you remove the screws. And after this, you're going to remove all the screws on the back. There's too many screws. After removing the screw, you're going to remove the plastic, as you're going to see in the video. We forgot one screw, so we take it off. Careful with these screws. I know guys, it's difficult, but you're gonna learn yourself. Let's remove the connector of the LCD and then the connector of the speaker. No, it's a headphone, sorry guys. Remove the motherboard and careful, replace it in a place that and place it in a place where it's safe, let's say. After this process, you have to get a heat gun or a hair dry and put it in maximum speed. I put it in maximum speed, and with 200 degrees, we're gonna heat up the screen for 2 to 3 minutes, and we're gonna give it like a good heat because it's important. After heating up the screen, you can use plastic card or metal or whatever you want to use, no matter, because this screen is already broken, and if you broke it more, it's not a problem, like seriously, it's not a problem. Just careful with your hands, that's all. That's the point. Careful with your hand, and that's it guys. This is how you can really remove or replace an LCD. This is the truth. It's not that easy, let's say. As I said, careful with your hands. You can use some gloves, whatever, but I didn't heat it up that much, so that's why it's removed the screen first. But anyway, we're gonna proceed in this way. We're gonna remove the other parts slowly, so just be careful with your hands. That's the point. Well, I'm gonna show all the process because it's important, guys. It's important to show all the process. But in the moment that you heat it up, like more, it goes easily. That's because the glue it's off. It will be off. So okay, we didn't heat it up that much, so that's why this happened. But anyway, this is the part of the process. What you're gonna do, guys? It's not that easy, but if you want to change it, you can change it by your own self. After removing the LCD screen, we're gonna give it a good clean to the housing where we're gonna put the new LCD. So let's keep moving. We speed it up a little bit, this process, because it takes too long. because it was a little bit dirty, and we clean it with alcohol and with everything we could. So we need to give it a good clean, because you know when you put the new screen you may break it if something is left behind. So like always, the first step after cleaning, we have to test the LCD if it's everything okay, if it's working properly, and let's test it. We put the motherboard first, and careful, in the end of the, because we have the connector of headphones, so careful with that. I didn't notice too much, but anyway. Let's place the LCD. Careful with the connector, don't press it too much, you can break the LCD. Put the battery and turn it on. Okay, it's turned on. The LCD is working, and we put the code, main code, to test the screen, the colors, and everything. And everything looks fine. So let's take it back. Let's turn off the phone and assemble it in a proper way. Let's say in a final way. So let's remove everything, even the LCD, and we're gonna put the glue. But before that, we have to remove all the plastic on the LCD to make it ready. So careful with removing this plastic. Maybe you can damage it. It's a always is a possibility to damage it. So don't underestimate nothing. Don't use metal to remove these plastics. I don't suggest you guys. You can use some papers, or like me, as I'm doing in the video. If it's not getting off, never use metal. That's the point, because you can break a lead or a glass, and that's it. The LCD is done. Careful with this part too. It's a little bit difficult because it's inside of the connectors, and just remove it carefully. Yeah, this is it. This LCD has his own glue, but we're gonna put another glue, B7 U7000. U7000. So the way how to put it is like in a video. Just don't put too much. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and like it if you like the video, or give me a comment below what is wrong or why I have to do better. So I will appreciate that. So carefully put the LCD and press it a little bit, not too much. Don't put too much pressure till it's in its own place, because the glue is doing his work. So careful with the home button. Press it a little bit, not too much, just in case. Okay, and it's good. It looks everything okay. Let's put the motherboard, and I think it's ready, guys. I think you know the other steps, but for any case, we're gonna explain everything. We're gonna stay till the end, till we close it, like to the end. What is happening with this connector? I think we put something wrong, but anyway, I think everything is okay. Just careful, don't press it too much. It's okay, it's okay. So let's put the plastic in the back, and there are two connectors, the headphones and the LCD connector. Other parts are on, everything okay. And the plastic, after putting the plastic, you can put the battery or not, but you can put the screws before the battery and turning on, but anyway, it's your choice. Let's put on the screws, and after that we put the back plastic. You have to hold it like 2 hours with a headband, or you can put books on top of it to keep it like in this way till the glue it's dried all. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. I appreciate everything, and see you in the next video. I hope you like it.